Are you someone who loves to delve into the depths of knowledge, analyze complex ideas, and solve intricate puzzles? Or perhaps you often find yourself lost in your own world of thoughts, seeking the meanings behind everything? If so, then you might be an INTP. The INTPs, often referred to as the thinkers or the architects, possess a unique blend of intellect, innovation, and introspection. They are the relentless seekers of truth, the masters of analysis, and the architects of ingenious ideas. In this video, we will uncover the core traits and behaviors that define the INTP personality type, shedding light on their strengths and weaknesses, what they are like when they are in love, some compatible types for romantic relationships, and a few potential career options. The I in INTP, introverted. INTPs tend to direct their focus and energy inward, finding stimulations from their internal world of thoughts and ideas. They recharge by spending time alone and often prefer smaller, intimate social gatherings. Examples of introverted behavior displayed by INTPs include their tendency to reflectively before speaking, their preference for one-on-one conversations over group settings, and their ability to thrive in solitary work environments where they can concentrate on their intellectual pursuits. The N in INTP, intuitive. INTPs possess a strong inclination toward intuition, which allows them to go beyond the surface-level observations and perceive patterns, connections, and possibilities that others may overlook. They have a natural inclination to challenge assumptions, explore alternative perspectives, and seek deeper meanings. The T in INTP, thinking. INTPs approach the world with a logical and analytical mindset, valuing the pursuit of truth and rationality in their decision-making processes. They have a natural talent for dissecting complex ideas, breaking them down into manageable components, and constructing logical frameworks to support their conclusions. The P in INTP, prospecting. INTPs exhibit prospecting behaviors that reflect their flexible and adaptable nature. They have an open-minded approach to life, readily embracing new information and exploring different possibilities. INTPs enjoy keeping their options open and are comfortable with uncertainty. They often delay making final decisions until they have gathered sufficient data or explored all potential outcomes. This prospecting behavior allows them to remain receptive to new ideas, perspectives, and opportunities. Strengths of INTPs: critical thinking and problem solving. INTPs excel in critically analyzing complex problems and finding innovative solutions. They possess sharp analytical skills and can dissect information, identify patterns, and generate creative ideas. Their ability to approach challenges with logic and objectivity allows them to offer unique perspectives and come up with effective strategies. Independent and innovative. INTPs thrive in environments that provide intellectual freedom and independence. They have a natural inclination to explore ideas and concepts on their own, often pushing the boundaries of existing knowledge. Their innovative thinking allows them to come up with novel approaches and unconventional solutions, making them valuable contributors to projects that require out-of-the-box thinking. Adaptability and learning agility. INTPs possess a deep curiosity and a constant thirst for knowledge. They are quick learners and adapt well to new situations and information. Their open-mindedness and willingness to consider different perspectives allow them to grasp complex concepts rapidly and incorporate new insights into their problem-solving process. This adaptability allows them to navigate a variety of challenges and continuously grow in their areas of interest. Weaknesses of INTPs. Interpersonal challenges. INTPs, with their introverted nature and tendency to focus on their internal world, can sometimes struggle with interpersonal relationships. They may find it challenging to express their emotions, leading to misunderstandings or difficulty in forming deep emotional bonds with others. Indecisiveness and overanalysis. INTPs have a natural inclination to thoroughly analyze and consider multiple perspectives before making decisions. While this attention to details can be an asset, it can also lead to indecisiveness and a tendency to overanalyze even minor choices. This indecisiveness can result in missed opportunities or delays in taking action. Disinterest in routine and detail-oriented tasks. INTPs tend to focus more on the big picture and abstract concepts, which can lead to lack of interest in routine tasks or attention to detail. They may struggle with repetitive or mundane tasks that require consistent attention and organization. This can sometimes result in difficulties meeting deadlines or being perceived as disorganized in certain situations. INTPs in love. When INTPs find themselves in love, they seek a profound connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. They prioritize intellectual stimulation and enjoy engaging in deep conversations with their partners. INTPs are drawn to individuals who can challenge their thoughts, share their curiosity for learning, and engage in philosophical or abstract discussions. They appreciate partners who can keep their minds engaged and provide a unique perspective on various topics. In romantic relationships, INTPs may exhibit a reserved communication style, particularly when it comes to expressing their emotions. They might struggle to verbalize their feelings openly and directly. Instead, they often express their love and affection through thoughtful gestures, acts of service, or sharing their knowledge and insights. They show their care and dedication by supporting their partner's intellectual pursuits and encouraging personal growth. One important aspect of being in a relationship with an INTP is understanding and respecting their needs for personal space. INTPs highly value their personal time, as it allows them to process their thoughts, delve into their interests, and recharge their energy. It doesn't mean that they are withdrawn from the relationship, but rather that they require solitude to maintain their individuality and inner balance. Giving them the space they need is crucial for a healthy relationship with an INTP. When it comes to love, INTPs often approach it with their logical and analytical mindset. They may evaluate the compatibility and long-term potential of the relationship based on factors such as shared values, intellectual compatibility, and the alignment of long-term goals. INTPs may take their time to assess the relationship before fully committing emotionally. Once an INTP has committed to a romantic partner and established a deep emotional bond, they tend to be loyal and dedicated. While they may not express emotions as openly as some other personality types, their actions speak volumes. INTPs show their commitment through consistent support, attentiveness, and a willingness to engage in intellectual debates and discussions with their partner. Compatible types for INTPs in romantic relationships. ENFJ. ENFJs tend to be warm, empathetic, and emotionally supportive. They possess strong social skills and have a natural ability to understand and connect with others on an emotional level. Their extroverted nature complements an INTP's introversion because they can provide social stimulation and draw out an INTP's thoughts and emotions. ENFJ's intuitive and feeling nature aligns with an INTP's preference for deep, meaningful conversations and emotional connection. ENFP. ENFPs are enthusiastic, imaginative, and deeply value personal growth and exploration. They bring a sense of adventure and spontaneity to a relationship with an INTP. ENFP's extroverted nature can encourage an INTP to engage more socially, while their intuitive and feeling nature creates opportunities for profound intellectual and emotional connection. Both types share an appreciation for intellectual discussions, creativity, and curiosity about the world. INFJ. INFJs are compassionate, insightful, and highly attuned to the emotions of others. They possess a deep desire for authenticity and understanding in their relationships. INFJ's introverted nature complements an INTP's need for personal space and solitude, allowing both partners to have their personal time without feeling neglected. Their intuitive and feeling nature creates a shared interest in exploring profound ideas, values, and personal growth. Careers that INTPs excels in. Software development. INTPs' analytical and logical thinking combined with their natural curiosity and problem-solving abilities make them well-suited for careers in computer science and software development. They enjoy diving deep into complex systems, finding innovative solutions, and working with abstract concepts. INTPs' affinity for logical frameworks and attention to details allows them to excel in programming, software engineering, and other related roles. Scientific research. INTPs' penchant for deep analysis, abstract thinking, and curiosity-driven nature aligns well with careers in scientific research. Whether in fields like physics, chemistry, biology, or other scientific disciplines, INTPs thrive in the pursuit of knowledge, conducting experiments, and analyzing data. Their ability to think critically and question assumptions allows them to make significant contributions to advancing scientific understanding. Architecture and design. INTPs' combination of creativity and logical thinking makes them well-suited for careers in architecture and design. They have a natural inclination to explore innovative concepts and envision structures that are both functional and aesthetically appealing. INTPs' attention to detail, ability to think spatially, and desire to find practical solutions aligns with the demands of architectural design, where they can contribute their unique perspectives and problem-solving skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it interesting. You might also want to check out our videos on the INTJ, ENTJ, and ENFJ personality types. Thanks for watching.